push-up with a one-arm hold. This is basically a push-up with a one-arm plank at the end of it. Now this is an outstanding push-up variation to incorporate the abdominals into the exercise a little bit. You're gonna wanna start with your feet 2 feet to 3 feet apart. The closer they are or touching, the more difficult it's going to be. But if you're new to this exercise, go ahead and start about 3 feet apart. Now how does it incorporate the abdominals? Now this is the main point of the exercise, so let's not get it wrong. This is an abdominal anti-rotation exercise. Anti meaning don't do it. Stop rotating. So the point is to resist the rotation as you take out some of your base of support. What do I mean? Get your feet, again, about 3 feet apart. Hands right under the shoulders. I want your elbows to be close to your sides, but go out about 45 degrees. Touch your chest to the ground. As you come up, you're gonna fully extend on one arm. Bring that hand to the shoulder, and you're attempting to not twist, okay? So this is not what you should look like. You should look like this. Go ahead and hold for 2 to 3 seconds, or whatever your coach prescribes. Now, the objective is to basically finish the push-up on one arm, but make it look like both arms are down. When you take out a base of support, you become unstable. In order to resist that twisting, your abdominals have to do work. This is called anti-rotation, as I said. So go ahead and try that out. Let me know if you have any questions. This is a great, fun, super duper exercise.